EOS has been working with directed energy as a defensive system against offensive systems for over 40 years. At EOS, we protect civilian infrastructure, people and military assets from drone attack. We're well in the forefront of counter-drone warfare for defensive applications. Swarm drone attack is one of the more modern, novel, offensive mechanisms available, and it's asymmetric. Enemies that don't have large military budgets can afford large numbers of drones. For every $1 million you spend on attacking someone, they have to spend $50 million defending themselves. And that equation will bankrupt you before it will kill you. So the defense has to be very carefully designed and crafted and engineered.
The economics in conflict are critical. You've got to be able to shoot down the drones at low cost. That's what we provide. We have a system that can shoot down drones at a lower cost than almost anything else on the market, much cheaper than a $200,000 missile. Directed energy lets you use a laser to shoot down a drone. One of our prototypes has the potential to work on shooting down 30, maybe 40, maybe 50 drones a minute. That could be very, very powerful as a counter-drone defense mechanism.
In October 2023, we introduced a laser dazzler, which is a laser weapon which we can introduce on our weapon station, allowing our clients to engage against flying-in drones, to blind their sensors and to defeat them, and also other threats on the battlefield. This is a breakthrough innovation. There is no other company around the world who has this combination of kinetical and the laser weapon system being integrated at the same time on a remote weapon station. EOS is a pioneer in high-energy laser weapon systems. We are one of the very few companies around the globe who can offer today high-energy laser systems in the 50 kilowatt class, and in the near future we will offer 100 kilowatt class products. This is a unique innovation. It will make a big difference in the battlefield of the future, and EOS will be in the middle of it. We are agile and we can deliver customized solutions. That's why we get preference over other suppliers, as we meet the customer expectations and even exceed them.
With the laser, you can destroy the drones with much more efficient cost, as the laser will be always available and you can shoot hundreds of drones with the same system.
Our leading edge status is we have affordable solutions that will protect against drone attack. It absolutely is life-saving technology. What we do next is what matters most.